So I'm practicing on a new video editor, and this is what I'm doing right now. Tutorial I'm editing on. Thanks for yourself. It's Boy Richard. It's gonna be very short clips right here, so it's not gonna be a lot of long term stopping on one part. Comb his hair out, spray down, brush, get his wave down, his hair all lined. Then I'm gonna take the hair off the top. I'm gonna go with the grain. I usually go against the grain, but I'm not ready today. Speed that up. Let's go now. What's this going on? He's on the phone. I clean this hell. Get my first guideline in, but this first guideline is gonna be the first guideline till I draw food. Skinning it, of course, then I've done my second guideline. Clippers, no guard, just open. .5 basically, but not the 0 guard, no guard. Now I'm gonna go with the one guard open, of course, just to get another third guideline in for the fade. And I usually test the top, but I'm not gonna test the top. That top line, I'm just gonna go over with the one over with the grain instead of going under the grain, you know what I'm saying? The terminology all messed up. Yeah, I should have cut that part off, but now I'm gonna go with the 0. Try to knock that little line out before I go in with the one and try to blend the fade in all together. As you see, it's an easy line to block out because I didn't put too much emphasis on the first guideline. And then I'm gonna already transition to the one guard. Once the one guard gets kicked in, I'll move the line up a little bit higher. At the same time, flick from open to closed. Right now, the whole time, both the 0 and the 1 were closed, not open. But then you want to play around with it and open it up a little bit, close it a little bit, just to get the full fade flex. Tell me if that looks right. But then, after the last part, of course, I'm going to go no guard, closed all the way, and I'm going to be adjusting my clippers so I can get that full finish and take the bottom line out. After I'm done blending in the second and third guideline, the higher you want to go, now the clippers are open. The clippers are open, light taps. You don't want to go too hard on it. Cut and do the hair right there. Make sure everything's even down and matched up, and there you go. That's the fade. Now moving on to my shape up time. The shape up don't really take too long, but I'm not a fan of pushing back hairlines and using enhancements. So I take my boy's little peak apart right here. Then this is where the start of a gray haircut starts at. It's very easy. I don't gotta force and take away too much weak hair used to make him look like he has a full hairline. In all reality, he doesn't. Then I go to his beard line up. I keep it as full as possible. I don't want to take it down to the cheek line. A lot of people actually don't like that because they want to grow their beards out. Mustache, keep it full, not too skinny. That's how he likes his mustache. And he's enjoying himself. The happiness and the wink. Go back over with the razor. Once you go back over with the razor, it's a clean cut. As you see, no drag. You want to get as light as possible. You don't want to push too much on the front line with the razor. Of course, I razored everything else, and then the haircut is finished. And there we go. Voila. Never not get your haircut from me. I'm the best barber out here. I really do this. I don't really do tutorials, but I'm going to have more videos out if you guys do end up liking this video. And if you guys do want to see more videos, always just like and subscribe. The more subscribers I get, the more insight I get towards tutorial videos. The more videos I will drop towards them. And help you guys out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, follow my page on Instagram. It's like follow Chukwu, Chukwu the Barber, from God and Chukwu's eyes. I'm too thanks for watching again. And I'm too good. This is natural, this is not. No enhancements. See, I feel like it's just because it's my face. It's my head. That looks nice. But you know, I guess we give him a little bit of props. This freak was good.